children, welcome to e-learning mathematics classes. Today in this video we will learn about properties of subtraction. So let us start with closure property. The difference of two whole numbers is not always a whole number. Whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. So if we subtract two whole numbers, then we may not always get a whole number as the answer. So that is why whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. Let us understand this with example. 9 minus 9 is 0. 0 is a whole number. But 23 minus 32, we get minus 10, which is not a whole number. So that is why it is not true for all the whole numbers. So closure property is false for subtraction of whole numbers. Okay. Next comes the commutative property. Two whole numbers cannot be subtracted in any order. Subtraction is not commutative for whole numbers. So if we change the order of the subtraction, then we may not get a whole number as the answer. For example, 12 minus 8 is 4. 8 minus 12 is minus 4. So here we can see that the answers are not same when we are changing their order. So what we can say, that subtraction of whole numbers are not commutative. Now next comes the associative law. Subtraction is not associative as well. Why? Because if we change the group, we will not get the same result. 7 minus 3 is in one group, minus 2. Then if I change the group, then 3 minus 2 will be in one group and 7 will be out. So let us see how much answer do we get here. And this side. So here we get 2 and here we are getting 6. So we can see that the answers are not same. So if we change the group in subtraction of the whole numbers, then we will not get the same answer. So associative law is also not true for the subtraction of whole numbers. Okay children, so now let us start exercise 2.4. Question number 1. For each of the following addition sentence, write two subtraction sentences. So this is an addition sentence is given that 23 plus 12 is 35. So for this particular sentence of addition, we need to show it in subtraction process in two different methods. Okay, so first we can write 35 minus 12. If I subtract 12 from 35, then we'll get 23 as the answer. Okay, now this is the first subtraction sentence. The other one will be 35 minus 23 will give us 12. So these are the two subtraction sentences that we can derive from one given addition sentence. So I hope you all can do question 1 now. Now let us do question 2. Perform the following subtraction and check your results by corresponding additions. So we have to perform subtraction and check our result by corresponding additions. So how can we do this? We need to check by ourselves. Okay. So 9,328 minus 427. So let's subtract. Here we get 1, 0, then 13, 8. So here we get 9 and 8. 8,901. So now we have subtracted. We also need to do the checking. How we can check whether our answer is correct or not. So what we will do? The result, the answer 8,901. We will add this number, and if we get the top one, then our answer is correct. Our subtraction is correct. Okay, so let's add. Okay, we need to add it. So sorry, I have done subtraction here. Let's add it here. 7 plus 1 is 8, 0 plus 2 is 2, 9 plus 4 is 3, 1 carry, 8 plus 1 is 9. So here we can see after adding this two number, we are getting the top number. So we can say checked. That means it is true. Okay, so in this way you can perform the subtraction and check your result by addition also. So this is the way how we can check the subtraction. I hope you all can do number 2 now. Now let us do number 4. Find the difference between the smallest number of 5 digits and the largest number of 4 digits. So we have to write down first the smallest number, smallest 5-digit number. smallest 5-digit number will be 100 10,000, isn't it? And largest 4-digit number, largest 4-digit number will be 9999. So let's subtract this two, and the answer which we will get is the difference. So after subtracting, whatever answer we get is the difference. Okay, 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 9 is 0, 0, 0. So we get 1 as the difference here. So you all need to read the question carefully and do it by yourself. Okay, now let us move on to next question. Question number 6. Find the whole numbers a when a plus 7 is 20. So here we have to find the value of a. How we can do it? See, a plus 7 is 20. So what we have to find? The value of a. It is very important, children. You have to learn this process so that you can also do, you will be able to do many different questions in the higher classes. So a plus 7 is 20. We have to find a. So a we have to leave alone. Okay, we have to leave alone. So we will transpose 7. 7 को हम दूसरे side ले जाएंगे. We will transpose 7 to the other side. Now first 20 was there, 20 will be there. 20 जहाँ है वहीं रहेगा. 7 will come at the back of 20. Okay, beside 20. Now since here 7 has a plus sign. Now whenever we transpose any number from one side to the other side, then the sign changes. It is adding, it is getting added here. So it will be opposite of add, that is subtract. So 20 minus 7. A equals to 20 minus 7 is how much? 13. So here we get the value of a, that is 13. So remember, whenever we have to find any value, we have to leave that number alone, leave that variable alone, letter alone, and all the numbers must be transposed to the other side. So same we have done here, and we have found the value of a. I hope you have understood this one. Now please complete exercise 2.4.